Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the comment section from WordPress pages or posts the easiest way, no plugins and no code. We're going to do this entirely from the built-in WordPress settings. So first log into your WordPress dashboard and click Pages in the left-hand menu. When the Pages menu expands, click All Pages. Find the page you want to change, hover over it, and click Edit. When the page editor opens, look at the right-hand settings panel. If you don't see it, click the small gear icon in the top right corner to open it. Now scroll down to the discussion section and click the little arrow next to it to expand it. Inside, find Allow Comments. If that toggle is blue, click it once to turn it off. I also turn off Allow Pingbacks and Trackbacks here because leaving those on still lets other sites send link notifications to that page. Then click the blue Update button at the top right. Wait for the page updated confirmation to appear. Now open the page in a new tab and scroll down. The comment form is gone from that page. Something important, this doesn't delete any comments that were already left. It only stops new comments from being submitted. It doesn't delete the old ones. Now let's do the same thing on a blog post. Click Posts in the left menu, then click All Posts. Find the post you want, click Edit. In the settings panel on the right, expand Discussion and turn off Allow Comments. If you see Allow Pingbacks and Trackbacks, turn that off too. Click Update. Then open the post on your site and scroll to the bottom. The comment form no longer appears. If you don't want comments turned on for future posts, go to Settings in the left menu and click Discussion. That opens the global discussion settings. Find the option that says Allow people to submit comments on new posts. Uncheck that box. I also uncheck Allow link notifications from other blogs because most new posts don't need pingbacks and trackbacks either. Now scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. But know this, that setting only affects posts you create from now on. It does not go back and switch off comments on content you already published. Those need bulk editing. To turn comments off on multiple existing posts, click Posts and then All Posts. Tick the checkbox next to every post you want to change. If you're doing a whole screen, click the top checkbox to select everything on the current page. Then open the Bulk Actions drop-down above the list, choose Edit, and click Apply. WordPress shows a small bulk editor. Look for the Comments drop-down and set it to Do Not Allow. Click Update. That applies the change to all selected posts at once. One catch, the top checkbox only selects the posts on the page you're looking at, so if you have more than 20 posts, repeat this on the next page or increase the number of items per page in screen options. Pages work exactly the same way. Click Pages, then All Pages. Select the pages you want, open Bulk Actions, choose Edit, click Apply. In the bulk editor, set comments to Do Not Allow and click Update. The selected pages now have comments disabled. If you've turned all this off and still see a comments area on the front end, refresh the page first. Then open the page in a private or incognito browser window. That bypasses the cached version. If comments still appear and you're on a block theme, the comments section might be part of the template itself. Go to Appearance, then click Editor. Open the relevant template, usually single post or page. Find the comments block or the comments query loop block. Click it once, open the three-dot menu, and choose Delete. Then click Save in the top right. Be careful with this one. Deleting the comments block from a template removes it from every page or post that uses that template, not just the single item you are editing. And if you only want comments gone from pages but still want them on posts, don't touch the global setting. Just turn off Allow Comments on each page individually, or use the Page Bulk Edit. If you already have old comments you want completely removed from your site, open Comments in the left menu and delete them from there. Disabling the comments section only stops new ones. If this fixed it, give the video a like, subscribe for more WordPress settings walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same fix.